Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my dear Chintos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. A warm welcome to you all for yet another cracking session. Okay, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது continuity and differentiability, the most awaited chapter, the most awaited moment for many JEE aspirants. So, based on the demand, okay. So many students are demanding, many students are requesting to take a class on continuity and differentiability. Vanakkam, first of all to you all. இன்னைக்கு we'll be having a beautiful lecture. Okay, va? Adu na promise pannuveda. Kandipa na solrada. Beautiful lecture. Guys, I'll tell you the flow chart. Flow chart na, how are we going to finish this chapter? Okay, in the chapter epdina kind of slow poison mari chapter. Okay, many students will not understand that easily. ஏன்னா அவருக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லிமிட்ஸ் தெரியாது. ஓகே, லிமிட்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சா மட்டுக்கு இந்த சாப்டர் நீட்டாக புரியும்டா. லிமிட்ஸ் தெரியலன்னா இந்த சாப்டர் 100% புரியாது. ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்கள் லிமிட்ஸ் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணி இந்த சாப்டர் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணணும்டா. வித்தவுட் ரிவைசிங் த லிமிட்ஸ் கண்டிப்பாக யூ வில் பிகம் பைத்தியம். Are you getting the point? You'll go mad looking at the questions. Big branches, big questions will be there. Branches enna sir? Or question this size will be there. Are you getting the point? Or question, yes, one question looks like a big branch. So all the questions will be involved with the modulus, polynomial functions, trigonometry functions, modulus functions. Okay va, namalku trigonometry basics theriyano, limits basics theriyano. Limits therlana in the chapter I'm telling, right, zero means zero. Purida? So make sure that you are revising the limits first and joining this class. Okay va? Sir, we did not plan for the limits, sir. Then what you have to do next class, before you join the next class, kandipa namalku limits I did in 3 parts. Okay va? JEE Vaathila limits I did in 3 parts. So detail I did the video da. So please go through each and every part, revise limits, and then attend this class. It will be very useful, sir. Yeah, so yes. Let me read your chat. Hi Sham, hi Manibharti, Jamuna, Silver, hi, good to see you guys. Deepak, hi, good evening. Yes, math paithyama, yes, math paithyam. You'll go math paithyam. Serious ah solrada. Limits kandipa theriyanum. Okay ba? And yes, okay, and one more thing guys, last but not least, I want every one of you to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. So now, Shiva sir Shiva sir is going to take the classes regularly, I think so. And Saravanan sir is also regularly posting videos. So physics, chemistry, math, 3 videos poetry kida. So it is going to be a feast for all JEE aspirants in JEE Vaathi channel. So make sure that neenga enna pannu regular live attend pandradhukku try pannunga. Unakku live mudilena, so make sure that you are watching the recording. Adu kandipa pannuda. Say Babu, 155 days mattukku irukida, 155 days to 160 days mattukku irukida JEE ku. So neenga nalla plan pannada nalla mudiyum. Okay va? So I will be starting with 11th standard chapters very soon. I'm planning to do a coordinate geometry next now. Fully, first straight lines and then circles and then parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. 5 chapters at a stretch. I'll be finishing it. Each chapter minimum 2 lectures. I mean minimum 2 parts. Okay va? Detail na panna porida. So yarku backlog irukko neenga kavalapadadida. So make sure that, as I told you earlier, 2 weeks la 3 chapters mudiyano. Backlogs irundha 3 weeks la neenga 2 weeks la 3 chapters நீங்க finish பண்றதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கடா. ஸோ அப்படி பிளான் பண்ணாதான் உங்களோட ஆல் பேக்லாக்ஸ், உங்களோட பேக்லாக்ஸ் எல்லாமே கிளியர் ஆயிடும். இப்போ பை த எண்ட் ஆஃப் அக்டோபர் ஆர் நவம்பர், யூ கேன் சே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீக் ஆஃப் நவம்பர்ல எல்லா பேக்லாக் கிளியர் ஆயிடும். எப்படி 14 டேஸ்ல நீங்க 3 பேக்லாக்ஸ், 3 சாப்டர்ஸ் கவர் பண்ணணும். 3 சாப்டர்ஸ்னா மேத்ல இருந்து ஒரு சாப்டர், பிசிக்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு சாப்டர், கெமிஸ்ட்ரில இருந்து ஒரு சாப்டர். புரியுதா? ஸோ 14 டேஸ்க்கு 3 chapters plan பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. You split it 14 by 3 பண்ணா எனக்கு 4.5 something. Are you getting the point? So 4 daysக்கு ஒரு backlog clear பண்றதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணு. சார் எப்படி சார் clear பண்றது? ஸ்கூல் and the Vedanta classes போயிட்டு இருக்கு. I have joined some other coaching center, XYZ tuitions போயிட்டு இருக்கு. So எப்படி சார் மேனேஜ் பண்றதுனா, you have to manage. Bro, you can't ask somebody to give a planner, give me a fixed schedule where I can clear the backlogs. அப்படினா யாருமே கொடுக்க முடியாதுடா. So நீங்க தான் ப்ராப்பரா பிளான் பண்ணி make sure that you are doing it properly. சரியா? So 4 days or backlog, physics or backlog, chemistry or backlog, and math or backlog. அப்படி 14 daysக்கு 3 chapters அப்படி finish பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும்டா. So by the end of October or November, you will be smashing all the backlogs. So yes, Satya will do that. Yes. Yes, sir. This channel helped me a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Very, very good to know that you are, recognizing us and then telling this. So Diwali starts in Vedanta JEE Vaathi channel. Yes, Diwali is Diwali every day. Diwali is apare. Every question is a Diwali cracking session. Okay, ba. Arambiklama. Sir, school 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Yes, Deepak. That's how the life will be da. This was the temporary phase da. Permanent phase kadiyadra. So 6 to maximum 6 months இப்படி தான் இருக்கும்டா. அதுக்கப்புறம் ரொம்ப ஜாலியா once you crack the exam ரொம்ப ஜாலியா enjoy பண்ணிக்கலாம். We'll meet together and we'll enjoy together. Are you getting the point? We all meet together. I mean, different parts of the Tamil Nadu students will be attending this class, right? One day we'll meet soon. Okay, very soon we'll meet one day and then we'll meet in NIT Trichy or IIT Madras. Okay, so yes guys, let us begin the show now. Let us begin the show. Yes, sir. Chapter name you might have seen in the thumbnail. So without any delay, let's get into the show. Ready? Yes, sir. Sir, mainly what am I going to cover in this chapter? Okay, va. Now, enna concept cover panna porena paru. Firstly, the first subtopic on the continuity at a point x is equal to 0 or x is equal to any point. You can say x is equal to a point, not a 0. X is equal to a point. Are you getting the point? Like types of discontinuity, continuity in an interval, properties of continuous functions. Are you getting the point? Like differentiability at a point called x is equal to a. Are you getting the point? Next part, differentiability in the interval. Okay, wow. So now properties of differentiable functions, and then last methods of differentiation. Sir, methods of differentiation I'll try to do separately. Okay, wow. In a separate up 100. Okay, wow. Separately I'll do it. Separately one part. I'll do one part. Separately one part. புரியுதாடா? எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? 1 minute டா. கொஞ்சம் focus. Okay ba guys, என்னோட voice audio video எல்லாமே clear ஆயிருக்கடா. Audio video எல்லாமே clear ஆயிருக்கா? Please do confirm in the chat box. Guys, tell me. Guys, என்னோட audio video எல்லாமே clear ஆயிருக்கா? Please confirm in the chat box. Audio video எல்லாமே clear ஆயிருக்கா? Hello everyone. Yes, thank you for the response. Okay da. So first I'll be starting with continuity at a point x is equal to a. Sir, ஒரு point கிட்ட continuity எப்படி செக் பண்றது? ஓகேவா, ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கிட்ட continuity எப்படி செக் பண்றது? சிம்பிள் கான்செப்டா, வெரி சிம்பிள் கான்செப்ட். I'll tell you. First concept என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாதி. ஓகேவா sir, continuity at a point x is equal to a. Sir, for example, let me take one function. Let me tell you the direct fact. Guys, நீங்க லிமிட்ஸ் படிச்சிருப்பீங்கடா ஆல்ரெடி. கண்டினியூஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன? ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து கண்டினியூஸா இருக்கணும். அவரோட டொமைன்ல ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து கண்டினியூஸா இருக்கணும். Are you getting the point? அவரோட டொமைன்ல இஸ் nothing but every function is continuous in its own domain. சார் எதுவுமே புரியல சார், ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்தா நல்லா புரியும் சார். பாரு guys, continuity at x is equal to point is nothing but, for example, condition. I'll tell you the condition directly. அதுக்கப்புறம் geometrical interpretation, geometrical meaning என்ன, graphical interpretation எப்படி பண்றது, I'll tell you everything, don't worry. Okay sir, condition directly I'll tell you the condition. இதுக்கு condition பார்த்தா condition da. Okay வா, LHL should be is equal to RHL should be is equal to functional value. இந்த பாயிண்ட் கிட்ட ஃபங்க்ஷனோட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் இது எல்லாமே எப்படி இருக்கணும்டா, ஃபைனைட் இருக்கணும். இதுதான் கண்டிஷன்டா. இது சிம்பிள் அண்ட் ஸ்வீட் கண்டிஷன். Are you getting the point? Simple and sweet condition. LHL னா left hand limit, RHL னா right hand limit, f of a னா ஃபங்க்ஷனோட வேல்யூ at x is equal to கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அண்ட் ஃபைனைட் இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா, இது மூணுமே ஃபைனைட் இருந்தா at that particular point and the function or the limits, at that particular point the function will be continuous. Are you getting the point? At that particular point function will be continuous. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? சூப்பர் சார், வெரி சிம்பிள். ஒரு क्वेश्चन பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துடா. guys, believe me, அரே சிண்டு, இதுக்கு மேல தான் just based on this definition. இது ஒரு டெஃபினேஷன், ஒரு கண்டிஷனுக்கு மேல தான் நிறைய क्वेश्चंस கேட்டாங்கடா. LHL எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணனும், RHL எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணனும், ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண ரொம்ப ஈஸிடா. பாலினாமியல் ஃபங்க்ஷனோட வேல்யூ at x is equal to ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண தெரியும். LHL என்ன RHL என்ன எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், லிமிட்ஸ் பார்க்கணும். லிமிட்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும் இது தெரியும்டா, இல்லாட்டி தெரியாது. ஓகே, ஸோ அகைன் அண்ட் அகைன் ஐம் டெல்லிங் யூ. சார் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தா நம்மளுக்கு ஐடியா வந்துடும் சார். ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க. Let me give an example. Sir, f of x is equal to, let me say anything, x square plus 4x. Are you getting the point? Whenever x is equal to what, 2 or x is equal to 1, you say. Are you getting the point? Sir, now let me say x is equal to 2x square 2x square plus what, or else you say basically x lesser than or equal to 1, x greater than 1 or anything you say, no problem. Okay, and x lesser than or equal to 1. Okay, when x is equal to 1, function, let's say basically something called 8. Are you getting the point? Function is called 8. Or Chintu, the function is 8 when x is not equal to, when x is equal to 1 exactly, function is what, basically 8. Okay, and now I'll tell you, listen to the class. Now listen to the class. Let me take something like this. This is the condition. Less than 1 function எப்படி இருக்குடா, more than 1 function எப்படி இருக்குடா, equal to 1 function எப்படி இருக்குடா. சார் இப்போ இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன், இது என்ன ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு பயங்கரமா இருக்கு சார், பார்க்கிறதுக்கு என்ன சார் 3 branches கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, எப்படி சார் செக் பண்றது? ரே சிண்டு, don't be feared, don't be scared, listen to the class, don't be feared, don't be scared, don't worry, listen to the class. First எதை பண்ணணும்? LHL find out பண்ணணும். LHL என்ன சார்? LHL என்ன? சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன சொன்னார்? LHL என்ன? லிமிட்ஸ்ல சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன சொன்னாரு? we need to find out limit x tending towards, at what point the function is getting defined at 1 point. Okay, LHL means what, 1 minus f of x. Okay, RHL என்ன பண்ணணும்? Chintu, limit x tending towards 1 plus f of x. புரியுதா? 1 minus is nothing but what, 1 க்கு கம்மி, 1 க்கு left side, 1 க்கு கம்மின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. 1 minus என்ன மீனிங்? 1 minus தான் 1 க்கு left side, 1 க்கு left side னா 1 க்கு less than, 1 க்கு கொஞ்சம் left sideல என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்குடா? 2x square plus, பாரு, limit x tending towards 1 minus 2x square plus 3. இப்போ இந்த x பிளேஸ்ல 1 போடணும், -1 போடக்கூடாது. 1 minus னா -1 கிடையாதுடா. 1 minus னா பேசிக்கலி பாரு, இது 1 டா. 1 minus னா 1 க்கு கொஞ்சம் லெஃப்ட் சைடு வேல்யூ, பட் நாட் மைனஸ். 1 plus னா 1 க்கு ரைட் சைடு, 1 க்கு ரைட் சைடு, பட் இந்த நைபர்ஹுட் ஆஃப் 1 தான் எடுக்கணும். சரியா? 1 க்கு just greater than 1. So I'm just taking 1 only approximately. பாரு, 2 into 1 plus 3. அப்போ ஆன்சர் என்ன? 5. இப்போ இது பண்ணா என்ன வரும்டா? Limit, I'm just doing detailedly for the first question. Every question இப்படி பண்ண முடியாதுடா. ஓகேவா? டக்கா டக் ஃபட்டாஃபட். ha. Look at the board everyone. Hello Chintu. Yes sir, 5. புரியுதா? LHL RHL ஈக்குவலா வந்துருச்சா? Yes sir. சார் இப்போ ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ என்ன சார்? LHL RHL ஈக்குவல், ஃபைன், பட் என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ என்ன? LHL 5 வந்துருச்சுடா. LHL 5 வந்துருச்சா? LHL 5, RHL 5. ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ என்ன? ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ x is equal to ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ 8, but not is equal to 8. Are you getting the point? These all are finite. These all are finite da, but they are not equal. They are not equal. பாரு, LHL RHL மூணுமே, LHL RHL functional value மூணுமே equal ஆகணும் and finite இருக்கணும். Then the function at a given point is continuous. Okay va? Can I say now therefore f of x is discontinuous function. F of x is not continuous at x is equal to n. Okay, not continuous can also be called as discontinuous. Simple. Purida? Yes or no, Babu? Ha. Very good. Tell me any doubts here? உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்கடா ப்ளீஸ். Make it fast. Any doubts here? Tell me the people. Chintu. Oh, Chintu. Sir, you are hiding the board, sir. Tell me any doubts here. क्या हुआ है? Make it fast. Chintu. Yes or no? Sir, direct our question பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Attack. Pari, let's attack the questions. PYQs க்கு மேல PYQ. Sir, I have given theoretical definition, you can go for it. Theoretical definition I already know, I've explained you. Please go through that. Now I'll just tell you simple example. Simple example. Pari, sir, simple example என்ன sir? First everybody look at the board. Sir, first you close பண்ணுங்க sir. First everybody look at the board. When x less than 0 function எப்படி இருக்குடா? When x equal to 0 function எப்படி இருக்குடா? இப்படி இருக்கு. X more than 0 function எப்படி இருக்கு? இப்படி இருக்கு. பாரு சார், ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன சார்? we cannot see the board properly. கொஞ்சம் ஃபோக்கஸ் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். just a minute. perfect sir, perfect. Yes sir, super duper clear sir. வா அண்ணா வா. look at the board. when x less than 0 இது, equal to 0 க்கு இது, greater than 0 க்கு இது. சூப்பர் சார். இப்போ எனக்கு क्वेश्चन புரியல சார். சார் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப பயங்கரமா இருக்கு. 1 2 3 branches இருக்கு சார். ஓஹோ சிண்டு பாரு, this is continuous at x is equal to 0 சொல்றாங்கடா. ரே சிண்டு, continuous at x is equal to 0. then the value of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c per 2021 JEE. Okay va, they will be giving very big function and they will say continuous at some point. என்ன பண்ணணும், LHL RHL மூணுமே ஈக்குவல் ஆகணும், LHL RHL ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ மூணுமே ஈக்குவல் அண்ட் ஃபைனைட் இருக்கணும். சூப்பர் சார். இப்போ நான் வந்து LHL ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கேடா. LHL என்ன, LHL na, LHL என்ன பாரு, LHL I am finding, which means what, limit x tending towards 0 minus means 0 கொஞ்சம் left side என்ன இருக்குடா, 1 by x log base e. Sir 1 plus, sir can you see that 1 plus x, 1 plus x are function we cannot see, sir. What is our function? The 1 plus x by a ra, 1 plus x by a I think, yes, 1 by 1 plus x by a, 1 plus x by a 1 minus x by b ra. Okay va, 1 plus x by a plus 1 minus x by b. Okay va, sir log a by b இருக்கு sir, can I write log a minus log b? Sir தாராளமா எழுதலாம் sir. Look at the body here, log a minus log b. Chintu, yes sir. Arey Chintu, tell me that Chintu, do you have any doubt here? Do you have any problem if I write like this? Do you people have any problem if I write like this? நிஜமா சொல்லு, நிஜமா சொல்லு, சத்தியமா சொல்லு, நிஜமா சொல்லு, சத்தியமா சொல்லு. Sir, I have one problem, sir. I have one problem. What problem, sir? What problem? You tell me, sir. What problem you have? You only tell me, sir. Sir, Keeler, sir, we know this. What property we know? Listen to the class, everyone. We know this. We know that. Listen to the class, everyone. We know that limit x tending towards 0 ln of 1 plus x divided by x. This is equal to 1 or not? Tell me. Do you agree with my point? No doubt. No doubt. Perfect. Perfect. Yes or no? Sir, எனக்கு தெரியும் சார் இது, எனக்கு தெரியும் சார் இது. This is equal to 1 sir. இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு சார். Here guys, everybody listen the class. இங்க நடுவுல மைனஸ் இருக்கு, நடுவுல மைனஸ் இருக்கு. Can I just split this da? Can I split this over here? Check. Now எப்படி split பண்ணிக்கலாம் பாரு. Can I split like this or not? Tell me guys. X is equal to 1 by x as it is. 1 by x as it means log of, இது சும்மா simple question only பாரு. 1 by x by a, 1 plus x by a divided by x. Correct? Minus as it is. Now log of 1 minus x by b divided by x. Cool? இப்படி இருக்கா? Yes or no? நான் வந்து இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா பாரு guys, இப்போ இந்த லாஜிக் என்ன, பேசிக்கலி இந்த லாஜிக் என்ன சார், இந்த லாஜிக் என்ன, ரைட் ஹியர் திஸ் ஃபார்முலா அகைன், 1 limit extending I mean limit chintu tending towards 0 ln of 1 plus some chintu divided by some chintu. This is going to be always 1. புரியுதா? நமக்கு தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? We know this 100% clear sir. சார் இப்போ 1 plus chintu, 1 plus chintu by chintu இருக்கணும். chintu இல்ல சார், அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? We multiply divide by something ரா, chintu multiply divide by a. சூப்பரா சார், இங்க வந்து chintu கிடையாது சார், we don't have chintu here. பாரு chintu என்ன, x by a, கீழே chintu இல்லடா, so we need to create the chintu. Yes or no? By multiplying and dividing by that. சார் இப்போ சார் you gave நடுவில் பிளஸ், பட் இங்க மைனஸ் இருக்கு, இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? Don't be worried guys. சார் இப்போ நான் வந்து கீழே மைனஸ் கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் பாரு, கீழே மைனஸ் கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண என்ன வரும் பாரு, மைனஸ் கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் பாரு எவ்ரிபடி. b and minus, are you getting the pointer? minus b. புரியுதா guys? நடுவில் மைனஸ் இருக்குடா, so கீழே மல்டிப்ளைங் வித் வாட், minus b. Are you getting the pointer? Tell me here. சார் இப்போ இங்க இருக்க மைனஸ் இங்க இருக்க மைனஸ் கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாமா பாரு, இங்க இருக்க மைனஸ் இங்க இருக்க மைனஸ் கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? சூப்பர் சார். சார் இப்போ இதென்ன நல்லா பாரு, நல்லா பாரு everybody. What is this going to be da? And what is this going to be? Tell me, you only tell me, what is this going to be? Sir, I'm class 12 student who has complete 11th as a backlog. I am also in Vidyal batch who has, hey, what do you want to do? What do you want to take from the da? You please make sure that you are studying properly. Who has backlog? What do you want to do with that? Are Bhushan Babu, Bus Babu, listen the class, Bus Babu. Sir, 1 by a, 1 by a, nadula plus sir, 1 by b sir. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Tell me da. Guys, இதென்ன 1 da, இதெல்லாமே 1, இதெல்லாமே 1, இது 1 by a, are you getting the point? 1 by a, 1 by b, so 1 by a plus 1 by b is this basically what? நம்மளுக்கு LHL answer. இதென்னடா? LHL answer. What is this? LHL answer. ஓகேவா? சிமிலர்லி நான் RHL சால்வ் பண்ணுவேடா, RHL சால்வ் பண்ணுவேன். எங்க சால்வ் பண்ணுவேன் சார்? Where will you solve RHL sir? Where will you solve RHL? Let us do one thing. Let me write LHL, I mean LHL answer I'll write here. LHL answer is 1 by a plus 1 by b. This is LHL answer. Correct? 1 by a plus 1 by b is LHL answer. Okay, wow. Yes. Now next what I'm going to do is basically Let me keep this aside. RHL answer. But RHL means what, sir? RHL means what? RHL is what? RHL is what? More than 0. More than 0 means what, sir? Ipdi irukku, sir. Sir, cos square x minus sin square x minus 1. கீழ வந்து root இருக்கு, sir. Root x square plus 1 minus 1. I'm rationalizing it. Rationalize பண்ணிக்கலாமா? இப்படி rationalize பண்ண வந்துருமா வராதா? பாரு. Tell me, sir, is it still possible to get into NIT Trichy CSE? Arey Bhushanam, yes Bhushanam, listen the class Bhushanam. Why are you just? Please focus on studies da, focus da. Sir, sir, ipo cos square x minus sin square x na. Bhushanam, listen the class. Cos square x minus sin square x directly can be write cos 2x. Cos 2x minus 1. Pari. Guys, cos square x minus sin square x, I'm writing with cos 2x. Formula directly theriyano. Sir, ipo cos 2x minus 1 into what? Square root of x square plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b. So a square plus a square minus b square. This is the cancel around. Super, sir. எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு doubt, sir. இப்போ limit என்ன, sir? Limit extending towards what? 0 da. Okay ba? Limit, guys, limit extending towards 0 only. 0 போட்ட என்ன? 0 plus basically. 0 plus. 0 தான் போடணும். Cos 0 என்ன 1. Super, sir. But எனக்கு ஒரு doubt இருக்கு, sir. Sir, cos 2x minus 1 formula என்ன, sir? அரே minus 2 sin, minus common எடுத்து என்னடா? Minus 2 sin square x. Super ana, super. Listen the class. Into x value 0 போட்டா இது 1 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 2. இது 2 ஆயிருந்தா. Are you getting the point? X value 0 போட்டா 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, sir. Sir, cos 2x minus 1 formula minus 2 sin square x எப்படி புரியல? அரே சிண்டு இப்படி பண்ணாதீங்கடா. அரே நீங்க trigonometry formula வந்தாதான் இது வரும்டா, இல்லாட்டி வராதுடா. அரே காக்கா பாரு, cos 2x can be written as what? 1 minus 2 sin square x தானா? பாரு, எனக்கு என்ன இருக்குடா? cos 2x minus 1 தானே இருக்கு. cos 2x minus 1 இருக்கு. So minus 2 sin square x I'm writing. புரியுதா? Yes or no? Are you getting the point or not? Sir, minus வராது, sir. Minus வராது. Basically just கீழ minus இருக்கு. கீழ minus இருக்கா? Correct தானா? cos 2x. I'll write the cos 2x formula. Here, listen the class. Cos 2x is basically what? 2 cos square x minus 1. What we have here? Cos 2x minus 1. Cos 2x minus 1 is nothing but what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Correct dana? Minus 2 sin square x only. 1 minus 2 sin square x. It is correct. Sir, divided by x square. So what is this going to be? Tell me now. What is this going to be? Sir, definitely this is going to be what? Sin x by x square. Sin square by x square is 1. Eppadi 1, sir? Arey chintu, limits la sin x by x enna. When limit extending towards 0, sin x by x vandu 1. Sin square x by x square irukku. So 1. So minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, sir. Idu RHL. Idana RHL. Hello. 2 RHL. Functional value na, sir. So functional value na. If functional value na I am finding it. I have very less space actually. Wait. Functional value x is equal to 0 ku k irukku. Sir, x is equal to 0 ku k irukku. Ipo what I am going to do basically is in the class. LHL is equal to RHL per unit, right? Listen, I am writing the answer here, guys. LHL is equal to RHL should be is equal to functional value. Super na. LHL answer enna, sir? LHL answer enna 1 by a, guys. 1 by a plus 1 by b. RHL answer enna minus 4 is equal to k. What do you want? What do we want? We want 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 4 by k. Simple answer. Excuse me, Chintu. Chintu. Listen to class. 1 by a plus 1 by b. 1 by a plus 1 by b, how much? Minus 4. Minus 4. Your answer minus 4. Your answer 4 by k. K value minus 1. Minus 4, sorry. This is cancel. So minus 4 minus 1. So answer minus 5. Minus 5. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. So answer is minus. I'm going to write here minus 4 minus 4 minus 1. So minus 5. Correct? Tell me. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Minus 5 is the right answer. Sir, 2027 JEE dropper 12th completed, sir. Study plan solunga, sir, please. It is our study plan, pari. Just I'm doing one by one. Follow JEE Vaathi channel. That is enough. Yes or no? Clear or not? Any doubts? Excuse me. Yes, sir. So next, shall we go forward to the next question? Another beautiful question I'll give you. Pare. We'll do this. This is also JEE question. Okay, this is also JEE question. Okay, guys, latest questions we'll do. Guys, what I'm going to do, listen the class. I will be completing this chapter concept first, and then we'll do 1 or 2 questions for each and every concept. Adukapram for full chapter. Okay, for full chapter I'll take few questions. Okay, miscellaneous questions, mixed concepts. Okay, full chapter finish panakapram one more lecture I'll take. Okay, a comma b belongs to or b belongs to 0. This will define whenever x less than or equal to 0 like this, whenever x is equal to x greater than 0 like this. Okay, this is continuous at x is equal to 0. Continuous at x is equal to 0, then 10 minus ab enna purida 10 minus ab na enna. Guys, listen the class. Everybody should listen the class. You should not get panicked. It's a very simple question. Very simple question. Continuous at x is equal to 0 means what? LHL we need to see. LHL at x is equal to 0. So which means what, sir? Limit x tending towards 0 minus. 0 minus is nothing but what? Sir, a sine of, guys, these are all p by q's. P by q's. Sine. Are you getting the point or not? Who is this ready? Are you getting the point? A into sine pi by 2 x minus 1 divided by what? That nothing. Clear? So x value 0 pot enna vandruda. X value 0 pot enna vandru. Sir, a sine pi by 2 minus 1, sir. Sir, sine pi by 2 minus 1. Sine pi by 2 minus 1 is what does? Basically minus a than is sine 90 and minus a. Sine 90 and 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into a minus a. Okay, why is LHL? Okay, why is LHL? Okay, next RHL, sir. What is RHL? What is RHL? More than 0 keep. Sir, tan 2x minus sine 2x divided by what, sir? Bx cube. Sir, tan 2x can be written as what basically? Sine 2x by cos 2x. Sine 2x by cos 2x. Clear or not? Minus sine 2x divided by what? Divided by what? Bx cube. Hope everybody is clear with this. Okay, sir, இப்படி எப்படி சார் பண்றது? Sir, sin 2x as it is minus sin 2x into cos 2x divided by what? Cos 2x into b cube. Cos 2x into bx cube. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes, sir. Super, sir. இப்போ நான் வந்து ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேடா. ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் சார். இப்படி பண்ணா எனக்கு பாரு. Can I take something common? Sir, we'll do one thing, sir. We'll take something common. என்ன sin 2x clear common எடுக்கலாம் சார். Sin 2x common எடுத்தா என்ன வரும்? Sin 2x common எடுத்தா 1 by cos 2x, which is secant 2x. Yes or no? 1 by cos 2x. Or you can write 1 by cos 2x means 1 minus cos 2x. இப்படி divided by what? Cos 2x. Okay, that cos 2x I'm writing over here. Okay, kilo bx cube as it is. Super, Anna. Super. Listen the class. I'm taking sin 2x common. Okay, sin 2x common எடுத்தா 1 by cos 2x இருக்கு. Cross multiply பண்ணா 1 minus cos 2x வந்துரும் பாரு. இது என்ன? tan 2x. Okay, 1 minus cos 2x formula என்ன? 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. Are you getting the point? 100% clear, sir. Sir, kilo space, can you see this? Yes, we can see this. We can write this. Kilo, what we can write? Sir, I will write it as bx cube. Can you see the board? Yes, sir, we can see that. Now limit x tending towards 0 anyway. Limit x tending towards 0 anyway. Sir, 0 போட்டா பாருங்க சார். Sir, நான் வந்து இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா பாருடா. Guys, sir, limit x tending towards 0 tan 2x divided by, I'll just multiply with 2x divided with 2x. Nothing wrong in that. Okay, இங்க 2 இருக்கு. 2 sin square x as it is. கீழே x cube ல இருந்து what will you do? I'll take x square and 1x here into 1 by b here. பாரு, I'm just splitting everything. பாருடா, tan 2x by bx cube என்னடா? இங்க ஒரு x square இருக்குடா. x square I'm giving it to this and 1x I'm writing separately. கீழே b as it is டா. Okay, இது என்னடா 1. இது என்ன directly 1. இது 1. இந்த x cancel பண்ணிக்கலாமா? 100% சார். இது என்ன சார்? 1. Okay, இது 1. இது 1. இது into 2 into 2 into 1 by b. Okay, this is equal to what? 4 by b. Is equal to what? 4 by b. Is 4 by b. This is RHL. Are you getting the point? This is RHL. functional value na at x is equal to 0, this is the functional value. LHL is equal to RHL, that's it. LHL should be equal to RHL. Simple question. LHL na minus A is equal to 4 by B. 4 by B. Okay, minus AB is equal to what? AB is equal to minus 4. AB is equal to minus 4. AB is equal to minus 4. So now what we need to find out? 10 minus AB we need to find out. So 10 minus of minus 4, which is equal to 14, sir. Super na super A parra babu. Answer purida. Yes or no? This type of questions are useful to board exams or not? Yes. Who knows? They might ask this type of question in board exam also. Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Guys, focus correct kada. Yes, now everything looks clear and perfectly fine. Purida, yes or no? Focus adjust pannite irukana koncham, sorry. Okay guys, yes, we'll go forward. Munadi polama. Shall we go forward or not, Chintu? Yes sir, we will go forward to the next question. We'll do this question, Pare. Super question, another question. Are you getting the point? This is 2023 JEE question. 2023 JEE question, Pare. F of x is this. Sir, enna sir இந்த mod கீடு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Mod கீடு என்னது? 1 divided by 1 kilo mod cos x. This is mod cos x. Whenever x is less than 90 but more than 0, x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, whenever x is like between what 90 and 180. Okay, sorry, cot 6x by cot 4x. I think everybody can see that. When continuous, this function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Guys, function path odane bayapadadingada. Pari simple continuous at x is equal to pi by 2 solrangada. Ore or logic same formula. Pari I'm going to do the same logic again. Pari LHL should be equal to RHL. Pari can you see the board clearly? Yes sir. LHL, how do you do the LHL? Okay, LHL is what basically less than 90. Less than 90 means what? Less than 90. Okay, x is basically x is lesser than 90 and in the function, pari. So 1 plus mod. Guys, listen the class. Less than 90 means what, pari? First quadrant, correct or not? Limit extending towards 90 minus 1 plus mod cos x whole to the power of 1 by mod cos x. Is that clear or not? Sir, 90, pari. Less than 90 the first quadrant. Modulus will be opening with positive. Chumma modulus kuduthirukanga sir. Enna sir ipdi solranga ipdi? Purida ellarkum? Guys, sir, how mod cos x become chumma cos x? Are modulus will be giving you either plus or minus, right? So 90 minus the first quadrant. 90 minus means 90 minus theta, first quadrant. First quadrant the cos will be positive. So cos with modulus will be opening with positive. The modulus of cos x should be opening with positive. Now, if everybody look at the board, isn't it 1 to the power of infinity form? Isn't it looking like 1 to the power of infinity form or not? Tell me. Nijama solli. 1 to the power of infinity form illa irka illiya? Are you getting the point? 1 to the power of infinity form irka illiya pare? Sir, cos 90 is 0, cos 90 0, 1 to the power of 1 by 0, 1 to the power of infinity, sir. 1 to the power of infinity Suresh sir sonnaru e to the power of limit. This is basically 1 to the power of infinity form. Okay, 1 to the power of infinity form now. First, what I'm going to do, e to the power of limit x tending towards pi by 2 as it is. Can you see the board clearly? Yes. Sir, f of x minus 1 into g of x. Sir, plus 1 minus 1 cancel everyone. Sir, e to the power of cos 90 as 0. Cos cancel. E to the power of 1 is e basically. So LHL answer is e to the power of 1. This is LHL. Okay, e to the power of 1 is LHL. Clear? Yes or no? Next, RHL is what basically? RHL. What is RHL? Limit x tending towards pi by 2 plus more than 90. More than 90 means what? X is more than 90 means e to the power of cot 6x by cot 4x. Guys, simple question, very simple question பாரு. சார் இப்போ நான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா பாரு guys. சார் இப்போ வந்து 90 plus இருக்குடா, 90 plus இருக்கு, more than 90, how do we do this? சார் cot வந்து எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இல்லை சார், அன்கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கு. நான் வந்து tanல மாத்திக்கிறேன் சார். சார் tanல மாத்த எப்படி வரும் பாரு, e to the power of can I write this as tan 4x by tan 6x? புரியுதா? Limit as it is da. Limit extending towards, okay, limit is as it is, I'm not disturbing that. Okay, limit is same, sir. Ipo we know this, what we know that limit x tending towards 0 tan x by x is going to be always 1. This is going to be always 1. Epo when x going towards 0 tan x by x into, I mean that is equal to what? 1. மேலே இருக்க numerator is towards 0 போகணும், கீழே இருக்க denominator also should go towards 0. புரியுதா? Are you getting the point or not? In that, can you see the board clearly or not? அரே ஏதோ glare இருக்கு போர்ட்ல, கரெக்ட்டா? Guys, is there any problem? Please respond in the chat box. Can you all see the board clearly? Respond in the chat box, ra. Is there any problem clearly? Confirm please. Yes. Hello. Audio video எல்லாமே clear-ஆ இருக்கா? Yes. Sir, ipo here x is not going towards 0, sir. Whenever x is going towards 0, tan x by x is 1 basically. But here x is not going towards 0. Pare. Here limit. Now let us do one thing da. Sir, in the pi by 2 the side shift panna varu. When x is tending towards pi by 2 na, x minus pi by 2 will be going towards, let's say, theta or alpha, whatever. Okay, wow. So if this is going towards theta, then what happens? Pare? Limit theta will be going towards 0. Are x minus pi by 2 going towards theta? Are you getting the point? I mean, let us take this as theta. Okay, then theta will be tending towards what? Tell me. Theta will be tending towards what? 0. Okay, sir, இப்போ நான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா பாரு, sir, x minus pi by 2 is equal to theta means cot. So basically we'll write this as what? We'll write this as tan, na? We'll write this as tan. Wait. We don't need in terms of cot. First we'll convert into cot. So tan. E power of tan 4x by tan 6x. Super, sir. Now what we need to take? Let us take x minus pi by 2 is theta. Then limit what? Limit theta tending towards 0. Theta tending towards what? 0. Yes or no? Sir, now x will be what? What is x here basically? E power of tan 4 times of pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. So tan 6. Are you getting the point? Sir, எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். இப்போ உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். Check limit theta tending towards 0. Sir, yes sir, directly why don't you multiply with 4 and divide with 4x? Why don't you multiply with 6x and divide with 6x? அப்படி பண்ணா வராது. அரே when x tending towards 0 இப்படி வரும்டா, but x is not going towards 0 பாரு. இப்படி பண்ணாதான் this will be பாரு, I'm just forming it as new variable. The கொடுத்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து in terms of x இருக்கு, நான் வந்து in terms of theta கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேடா. இப்படி பண்ணா என்ன வரும் பாரு, உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பாரு. So tan 2 pi plus 4 theta பாரு, tan 2 pi plus 4 theta divided by what? Tan 3 pi plus 6 theta. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? இது கொஞ்சம் சூப்பர் கொஸ்டின். கொஞ்சம் சூப்பர் கொஸ்டினா சார்? கொஞ்சம் சூப்பர் கொஸ்டின் என்ன சார் மீனிங்? லிசன். ஓகே, எஸ் சார். இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்டா பாரு, லிமிட் theta tending towards 0 e power of tan 2 pi plus theta. Tan 2 pi plus theta is first quadrant, so tan theta, tan 4 theta divided by what? Tan we'll do one thing, into, listen, we'll multiply with 4 theta and divide with 4 theta. Correct or not? Okay, வா, as it is. Now கீழ என்ன இருக்குடா? 1 by 3 pi plus theta. 3 pi plus theta means what? Tan theta only. Tan 3 pi plus theta is tan theta. So tan 6 theta as it is. Okay, wow. So what I'm doing here, I'm multiplying with 6 theta and dividing with 6 theta. Purida? Hope everybody can see this. Now theta tending towards 0. Ippo idu 1 da. Idenda 1. This is 1. This is 1. Idellame power of e la irukida. All these are happening in the power of e, exponential of e. Okay, the theta cancel ayirum. 4 by 2. 4 by 6, sorry. So RHL is going to be what? Finally, e to the power of 4 by 6 means what? 2 by 3. Okay, wow. Yes or no? LHL is e power of 1. RHL is this. எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். இப்போ ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ என்ன சார்? LHL is equal to RHL is equal to what? At pi by 2 mu. So e power of 1 is equal to pi by 2. I mean pi by 2 means what? A mu, right? Mu e power of 2 by 3 is equal to mu. புரியுதா? So clear ஆயிருக்கு சார். இப்போ what they are asking us to find out 9 lambda. Mu lambda enna? Lambda, where is lambda actually? Where is lambda? Lambda is missing somewhere da. Lambda irukku, mu irukku. Lambda. Where is the lambda? Yes, please check where is the lambda. I think there is a mistake in the question. Something is missing in the question da. Something is missing in the question. What is missing? I'll tell you. Inga lambda irukkanum. Mela lambda irukkanum. Idu lambda. Idu lambda. Idu lambda. I think this should be lambda. But idu lambda irunda. Idu lambda irunda eppadi? Idu lambda irunda eppadi? Idu e power of lambda. Idu e power of lambda. Chumma idu e power of lambda avladha. Idu e power of lambda paru. Sir, e power idu compare panna. Idu rendume compare panni paru. Idu rendume compare panna. From these two things, lambda is equal to 2 by 3. From these two things, what? Lambda is equal to 2 by 3. Lambda is equal to 2 by 3. Correct? Sir, mu enna sir? Mu enna? We need to find out mu value. Right? So lambda vandiruchu sir. Lambda vandirichina. We need to calculate this carefully. Lambda vandiruchu par 9 into lambda. 9 lambda plus 6 log mu. And e power of, okay, mu power of 6 also I want. Mu power of 6 also I want. In a lambda vandiruchu, I need mu power of 6 also. But mu power of 6 is going to be what? Mu power of 6 means ఇది. Okay, e power of 2 by 3, right? E power of 2 by 3 to the power of 6 means what? Basically e power of 4. Ida e power of 4. Super sir. Purida. Next enna venuda? E power of 6 lambda also I want. E power of 6 into lambda enna? 2 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. So e power of 4. This is also e power of 4. Okay, guys, now வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் பாரு. I calculated mu power of 6 and e to the power of 6 lambda I calculated. இப்போ இங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாரு. Everybody look at the board. 9 lambda enna? 9 lambda enna? 2 by 3, right? So 9 into 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means what? 6 plus 6 into log mu enna? Mu is what? Basically 2 by 3, right? 6 log 2 by 3 base e. So 2 by 3, yes or no? This base e power of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 முன்னாடி வரும்டா. 2 by 3 முன்னாடி வந்துருச்சுனா இப்படி வரும். Plus mu power of 6 என்ன? E power of 4. E power of minus 6 lambda e power of minus 4 பாரு. இது cancel ஆயிடும். புரியுதா? 3 ones 3 twos. So 3 ones 3 twos. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 ultimate answer என்ன? 10. 10 should be the right answer. Pari. Any doubts? Any doubt? Tell me, guys. Please check, guys. I think there is something disturbing in the focus. Clear? Guys, எனக்கு mu power of 6 வேணும். E power of 6 lambda வேணும். Mu power of 6 means what? Basically இது. Okay. And then e power of 6 lambda I'm calculated, which is e power of 4. Then guys, log mu base e. Log mu base e என்ன இருடா? Log mu base e na log mu value என்னடா? Mu value என்ன வந்துச்சு பாரு. E power of 2 by 3. What I'm doing here? E power of 2 by 3. கீழ base e as it is. இந்த 2 by 3 முன்னாடி jump ஆயிரும். 2 by 3 முன்னாடி jump ஆயிடுச்சுனா log e base e is what? 1. Are you getting the point? That's why I'm writing log mu base e வந்து 2 by 3. But log mu base e is 2 by 3. 6 into 2 by 3 என்ன 4. Yes or no? So 6 plus 4 10. இது cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனா 10 is the answer. புரியுதா? Explain the last step. Vishwaji, 9 into lambda value எனக்கு வந்துருச்சுடா 9 into lambda 6 கரெக்டா log mu value 2/3 பாரு 6 into 2/3 புரியுதா and mu power of 6 I calculated here பாரு yes or no explain the last step in the new slide what is there is that man look at the board 9 lambda 6 log mu base e something is 6 log mu power of 6 e power of 6 lambda plus mu power of 6 e power of 6 lambda பாரு lambda என்ன 2/3 தானா lambda என்ன 2/3 lambda என்ன 2/3 plus 6 into log base e mu value என்னடா e power of 2/3 plus mu power of 6 என்ன வந்துருச்சுடா mu power of 6 என்ன e power of 4 mu என்னடா mu value என்னடா பாரு mu value is basically e power of 2/3 டா mu value is what basically e power of 2/3 substitute பண்ணி பாரு e power of 2/3 to the power of 6 e power of 6 lambda என்ன 2/3 இங்க substitute பண்ணி பாரு 3 ones 3 3s இது 6 ஓகேவா இந்த பாரு 6 into the 2/3 முன்னாடி ஜம்ப் ஆயிரும்டா so log e base is 1 plus 3 ones 3 2s இது e power of 4 3 ones 3 2s இது minus e power of 4 இது cancel ஆயிரும் 3 ones 3 2s 6 plus 4 which is equal to 10 hope you got this point Vishwa பாரு let me erase all this உனக்கு வேணானா இங்க பாரு சார் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் இங்க கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்குனா பாரு you will just find that answer in the next slide no problem check now everybody look at the board guys 6 plus 4 10 answer இங்க பாரு any doubts hello புரியுதா yes sir shall we go forward next போலாமா shall we go forward or not yes we'll go forward to the next slide next question pare guys what is this consider the function is this when x less than 3 x greater than 3 x is equal to 3 it step x denote the greatest integer function lesser than or equal to x s denotes set of all the ordered pairs a comma b such that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 3 f of x is what continuous at x is equal to 3 then the number of elements in s okay yeah as it is 7x minus 12 minus x I think you can see the board you can see this clearly guys now what I'll do this is basically step x die here this is step x this step x da okay va yes sir no let's go listen to the class sir what is LHL sir what is LHL I'll do LHL what is LHL LHL means what continuous at x is equal to 3 சொல்றாங்கடா அப்ப LHL என்ன lesser than 3 பாரு sir a into 7x minus 12 minus x square divided by what b into this yes or no b into what b into mod guys what are the factors of this guys x square minus 7x plus 12 கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா எழுதணும்டா ஓகே சார் இப்போ இதுக்கு ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும் இதுக்கு ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணி பாரு இதுக்கு ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணா let me write with the different color sir here கீழ ஃபேக்டரைசேஷன் மேல you can take minus common and do it otherwise I'll do here itself oh why am I doing with this என்னடா pen select பண்ணுங்கடா pen a into how much da 7 minus 7 means how much da 7x square so 12 means 4 threes means what I can write this as definitely minus I can take common first we'll take minus common na x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by nairunda b into modulus of x square minus 7x plus 12 sir we can't see the board minus a x square minus 7x divided by what b into x square minus 7x plus 12 correct so minus a by b minus a by b. ஓகேவா? இதென்னா x minus 4 into x minus 3 கரெக்டாடா? x minus 4 into x minus 3 மேல. Am I correct guys? So denominator என்ன வரும் சார்? denominator factors என்ன வரும் பாரு. Same டா. x square minus 7x plus 4. எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். I'll tell you what is the doubt. x minus 4 x minus 3 with mod. X minus 3 with mod. பாரு. சார் இப்போ மாடுலஸ் should I open with positive or negative? Should I open with positive or negative? சார் எப்படி தெரியும் சார்? They are talking about what? LHL. LHL means what? Limit x tending towards 3 minus. This is LHL. Are you getting the point? Limit x tending towards 3 minus. 3 minus is nothing but 3 க்கு கொஞ்சம் கம்மி. 3 க்கு கொஞ்சம் கம்மி எடுத்தா this will be opening with negative. This is negative. This is negative. Negative, negative, positive. So this will be opening with positive. Modulus open with positive. Da. Modulus will be opening with positive. கொஞ்சம் பேஷண்டா சால்வ் பண்ணி பாரு. சிம்பிளான क्वेश्चन. இது கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். So LHL is what? Minus a by b. LHL na minus a by b. புரியுதா? எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா guys? Modulus will be opened with positive modulus. ஏனா I'm taking the continuity at x is equal to 3 டா. 3 minus 3 க்கு கொஞ்சம் left sideல வேல்யூ போட்டா 3 minus is nothing but 2.99 போடு. 2.99 minus 4 something negative. 2.99 something minus 3 negative. So negative into negative positive. So modulus should open with positive. So I'm removing the modulus with positive sign. So minus a by b is my LHL. RHL is what? X greater than 3. I'll do RHL here. Look at the bottom. RHL I'm doing here. RHL எப்படி பண்ணனும் சார்? 2 power of, let us write like this, limit x tending towards 0 plus 2 power of sine of x minus 3 divided by what? X minus step of x. I mean fraction, step of x, yes. Sorry, more than 3. More than 3 means what? More than 3 is how this will be opening up. Tell me. More than 3. Step of more than 3 is what? 3 then 3.1111 you take. So 3 only. So definitely this is going to be what? 2 power of sine of x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. Hope everybody is getting the point. Obviously x minus 3, when x tending towards 0, what happens here? Tell me. X tending towards 0 plus, right? So 3 plus, not 0 plus, 3 plus. Sorry. Is it 3 plus? Is it 3 plus? Is it 2 power of this? Okay. Then something sin x by x na, sin x by x na 1 only. So RHL is going to be 1. 2 power of 1, which is 2. Are you getting the point? At x is equal to 3, function on the b. Simple. LHL, listen to the class. I'm writing the different color. LHL should be is equal to RHL should be is equal to f of 3. LHL என்ன வந்துருச்சு சார்? minus a by b சார். RHL என்ன வந்துருச்சு சார்? 2 சார். f of 3 என்ன சார்? b இருக்கு சார். அவ்வளவுதான். b value 2. ஓகேவா? b value 2 பாரு. b value is 2 here very clearly, and then these two are equal. Yes or no? b value 2 minus a by b is equal to 2. b value 2 means what? A value is equal to be what? 2b. So minus a is equal to 4. So a is equal to minus 4. I'm writing very detailedly clearly. A value minus 4, b value 2. They're asking us to find out what? Ordered pair a comma b. Ordered pair a comma b means what? A comma b is going to be what? Minus 4 comma 2. There is only one ordered pair I'm getting. One ordered pair is answer. So C for chin 2 is the right answer. எத்தனை ordered pair எனக்கு possible ஆயிட்டு இருக்குடா? Guys, if I write everything over here, you will be able to connect. Next slide I can write, but thing is that you will not be able to connect if I write over there. So that is the problem. Listen. Everybody. Any doubt, guys? Check. This LHL part. Green color full LHL part. Pink color part full RHL part. Purida. Pink color part full RHL color part. I mean RHL. And the LHL, RHL and f of 3. Moon mein equate panna a value, b value 2 already vandiruchu, a value minus 4 vandrum. Okay va? Sir a value minus 4 vandiruchina, a value minus 4 vandiruchina, ordered pair na minus 4 comma 2. There is only one ordered pair. Purida? Super sir, that is the answer. You can see this. Okay, answer 1 is the right answer. Shall we go forward? Shall we go forward or not? Next concept, geometrical interpretation of continuity at x is equal to a. Sir, geometrical meaning enna sir? What is the meaning of this continuity geometry wise? Geometry wise eppadi define pandrathu? How do we define this geometrically? Guys, basically simple da. I'll tell you in a basic நம்மளோட own language, நம்மளோட சிண்டு லாங்குவேஜ்ல சொல்ல. Guys, ஒரு function ஒரு graph draw பண்றப்போ pen without lifting the pen இப்போ நீங்க draw பண்ணீங்கன்னா அது continuous da. If you are lifting the pen up and drawing the graph, that is discontinuous. Simple. Without lifting the pen up, without lifting the pen, if you are able to draw the graph, that is continuous. Are you getting the point? If you are lifting the pen up, that is discontinuous. Without lifting is continuous. With lifting, it's discontinuous. Simple logic. Sir, example parang sir. Sorry. For example, sin x irukida. Sin x irukku pari, sin x graph eppadi irukunda pari. Without lifting the pen, can I draw the graph? Sorry, you are lifting the pen up. Pari. This is sin x graph. Sir, mod x graph. Pari. Geometrical meaning enna? Geometrical mod x graph. Mod x na eppadi? Sir, ippadi draw pannikalama pari. Without lifting the pen, I am able to draw the graph. Okay. Idella continuous functions. All these are continuous functions. Pari. These are continuous functions. Continuous functions. Graphically understanding this. Okay, va? Continuous functions. Okay, next pathina pari example mod x already done. Step x pari step x oda graph enna 0 0. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Sir, I am drawing the graph with lifting the pen. I am drawing the graph by lifting the pen. So idana discontinuous graph, idana discontinuous. Simple. Purida ellarku idu discontinuous. Sir, one more example kudunga sir. Sir, signum of x. What is signum of x? Signum of x in a bari. Signum of x graph will be like this. This is the signum of x graph. Purida. Next another graph. Sir, you can say sin x graph punichu sir. Cos x graph draw panunga sir. Cos x graph. Cos x graph you ipdi irukunda pari. Are you getting the without lifting the pen you can draw the graph. This is cos x graph. Purida. Yes or no? 100% clear sir. Next, you can draw any graph. Tan x graph. Tan x graph is basically continuous in its domain. Continuous in its domain. Pari. Tan x basically what? Continuous in its domain. Our domain la tan x continuous airum pari. Tan 0 is not defined, right? So tan 0 0 basically. Sir, ipo you need to just talk about this, right? Yes or no da? Yes or no? This is how the tan x graph will be. 0 90 kita defined agadu. So that is why dotted line. Purida. Tan x is also continuous function, but our domain la our continuous. Na solradhu purida? Our domain la tan x vandu continuous. Ivara domain la ivar continuous. Ivara domain la, I mean, this is discontinuous itself. Okay, why? This discontinuous itself. This is discontinuous. But now on the vishayam sollikrada pari. Sir, ipo tan x oda domain la tan x vandu continuous. Sir, from minus 90 to 90 எடுத்தா graph இப்படி வந்துருச்சு சார், fine. But இந்த 90 தாண்டி போகணும்னா கண்டிப்பா you need to lift the pen up and draw the graph. அப்போ அது discontinuous ஆயிருமே. ஆமா, I'm not denying that. Discontinuous ஆயிரும். But guys, இப்போ I should not even consider 90 and minus 90 இல்லையா? Yes sir, that is not in the domain of tan x. Tan x is continuous our domain la. Tan x oda domain என்னடா? All real numbers except odd multiples of 90. 90, 390, I mean 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 கிட்ட tan defined ஆகாது. எந்த பாயிண்ட் கிட்ட tan defined ஆகாதோ அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல கிராஃப் வந்து கண்டிப்பா இந்த dotted line தான் வந்துரும். Yes or no? At those point it is discontinuous. So can I say overall tan x is continuous in its domain? Our domain la our continuous da. அப்படி சொல்லிக்கலாம். Yes or no? Arey, who is this? Sham Nitin. Please wait, Sham Nitin. I'll be continuing from the Monday da. I'll be coming from the Monday. Monday vareda. Don't spam da re. 𝒉𝒆𝒍𝒐 no chat box la spam பண்ணாதீங்கடா. ஓகேவா? சார், எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். சார், நான் இப்போ சிக்னம் ஃபங்க்ஷனோட டொமைன் என்ன? ஆல் ரியல் நம்பர்ஸ். ஓகேவா? பட் 0 கிட்ட ஃபங்க்ஷன் டிஃபைன் ஆகாது. 0 கிட்ட ஃபங்க்ஷன் டிஃபைன் ஆகாது. ஸோ 0 கிட்ட டிஸ்கண்டினியூஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன். இது டிஸ்கண்டினியூஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் தான் பாரு. இது டிஸ்கண்டினியூஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் தான். Sir, as you told, your domain வந்து all real numbers. Your domain என்ன all real numbers. Signum குள்ள என்ன போட்டாலும் ஆன்சர் வந்துடும்டா. Signum of 0 is always 0. signum of anything positive is always 1, signum of anything negative always -1. புரியுதா கைஸ்? நீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்கடா கிளாஸ் 11ல signum of any positive number எப்பவுமே 1, signum of any negative number எப்பவுமே -1, signum of 0 எப்பவுமே 0. ஓகேவா? பட் 0 கிட்ட ஆன்சர் வந்து 0 தான், not -1. சரி, இப்போ x வேல்யூ 0 போட்டா at x is equal to 0 function வந்து discontinuous or not? ஆமா. Signum function is discontinuous at x is equal to 0, but at the rest of the point it is continuous. 0 கிட்ட மட்டுக்கு இது என்ன discontinuous இருக்கு, மத்த எல்லாமே continuous ஆயிருக்கு. அதுக்கு இந்த point இது என்ன pi/2 minus pi/2, which means odd multiple of 90 கிட்ட மட்டுக்கு இது வந்து discontinuous ஆயிரும், மத்த எல்லாமே continuous ஆயிரும். So what we need to see basically, sir, இப்போ இவரோட domainல continuous, இவரோட domainல should it be continuous always? Need not to be. பாரு, இவரோட domain என்ன all real numbers தான், இவரோட domainல all x values கிட்ட இது continuous need not to be. Are you getting the point? At some point it can be discontinuous as well. Sir, or graph, look at the board everyone. Sir, now what I'm trying to say, paru, okay, let's say something like this. Na 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 na. இப்படி இருக்குடா கிராஃப். சம் ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன்டா, என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன் சார் இது? என்ன ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன், சும்மா ரேண்டம் ஃபங்க்ஷன். இதான சம் f of x. ஓகேவா? சார் இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா இவரோட domain என்ன? What is the domain of this? I can take any real number here. Are you getting the point? But this is a discontinuous graph. What is this? This is the discontinuous graph. Are you getting the point or not? It is discontinuous. But in its domain, in its domain, it's what? It is continuous or not? Tell me. Listen the class. Guys, in its domain, our domain in a from this to this, it is continuous only. Again, we need to lift the pen up. From here to here, it is continuous. Again, I need to lift the pen. I need to draw this graph. Our domain is continuous. This is continuous function or not? Yes, it is continuous function. We are drawing our domain is continuous. Again, at this point, let's say this point is something called A. A point is discontinuous. B point is discontinuous. So, the function is discontinuous at A and B points. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me, guys. If our domain in the function our domain function can be continuous. Are you getting the point? At some points it can be discontinuous also. For example, I told signum function, right? Signum function is now signum of x. What is the domain of this? All real numbers. I can put any real number. Are you getting the point? All real numbers I can put, but domain is all real numbers. Our domain can I say this is continuous? Signum function or domain and R. Our domain is it continuous? No. At 0 this is discontinuous. Are you getting the point? Please understand, if a function is continuous, which means that it need not to be continuous at every point in its domain. At some point it can be discontinuous also. That's the point. Signum example. In the example, your domain R 0 is discontinuous. In the function at discontinuous at A and B. Same thing. It is continuous, but in its domain. Domain in all real numbers except 90. Our continuously is happy only. Purida? Yes. No problem. Listen to the class. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, next polama. Sir, any example you take. Any example. Shall we go forward? Next polama, next concept ke. Shall we go forward? Yes, sir. Sir, ln x solunga, sir. Ln x. Ln x also same today. Pari. Example. Y is equal to ln x. Ln x graph will be like this. Pari. Ln x will be like this. Our domain la continuous. Ln x oda domain la it is continuous. Pari. Our domain la it is continuous only. Sir, e power of x eppadi irukum sir? E power of x will be like this. This e power of x. Is it continuous or not? Tell me. This e power of x. It is continuous. Our domain it is continuous. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes, sir. So this is what basically geometrical interpretation of continuity. Continuous function. Basically, without lifting the pen, if you are able to draw the graph, are continuous. Are you getting the point? If you are lifting the pen up while drawing the graph, are they discontinuous? Sir, one more doubt, sir. Fractional part of x, sir. Fractional part of x, sir. Your example. Next, one more example, fractional part of x. Fractional part of x will be like this, sir. This is check. Are you getting the part? This is how the fractional part. While drawing the graph, you are lifting the pen up. So discontinuous. Idana continuous. These both are continuous. Idana discontinuous. Hope guys, those who are watching for the first time, everybody should understand. Okay. Purida? Yes, sir. Next, we'll talk about types of discontinuity. So types of discontinuity we'll try to see. Sham Nitin, very sorry, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Are you strict? Hey, Chintu. When are you coming to Vidyal batch? When you coming to JEE 2028 Vidyal batch? Are Monday London avareda? Monday. Okay, va. Ipo parda, ipo gamanita, class gamanikanda, please. Okay, so type of continuity, type of discontinuity. Discontinuity la type enna? Ethana type. Discontinuity la ethana types irukku? You will see on Monday, Sham. Please listen, guys. We will be getting two types right here. We have two types. Okay, wow. We have two types. Ethana types irukida? There are two types. One is removable discontinuity. Removable discontinuity. And next one then irremovable discontinuity. Irremovable discontinuity. Removable discontinuity, irremovable discontinuity. Sir, again removable we will be getting two types. Missing point discontinuity. Missing point discontinuity. Okay, wow. And isolated point discontinuity. Isolated point. PT means point. This. Okay. Purida. Yes, sir. So that is what I'm going to teach you now. Listen to the class. Okay. Sir, irremovable we will be having again three types. First one is infinite type. Finite type. Irremovable. Finite type. Second one is infinite type. Infinite type. And third one is basically oscillatory type. Oscillatory type. Sir, we will understand one by one. We'll try to understand one by one. Sir, missing point discontinuity na. Isolated point discontinuity na. Finite na, infinite na, oscillatory na. There are two types of discontinuity. One is the removable discontinuity. Another one is irremovable discontinuity. Sir, first I'll try to directly discuss what is removable discontinuous. Okay. Sir, everybody listen the class. Hippo. Simple removable discontinuity la we have two types, right? Two types. First one is missing point discontinuity. Second one is isolated point. So missing point is nothing but what? It will be missing. Something is missing. Our name la. Okay. First, removable. What is the definition of removable basically? Guys, limit extending towards f of x exists but not equal to f of a. Okay, wow. You got a definition. What is the definition? LHL will be equal to RHL. But not equal to f of a. This is the definition. LHL RHL equal irukum but functional value ku equal irukadu. Na solradhu puriyudha? LHL RHL rendume equal but functional value ku equal irukadu. Yes, Sham. Yes, Sham, listen the class, Sham. Why are you spamming Sham? Okay. Clear? Purida? Yes, sir. Sir, removable definition is LHL, RHL rendume equal irukku but functional value ku equal irukakudadu. Sir, appo missing point discontinuity enna sir? Here f of a exists but finitely, but f of a is not defined. Functional value defined agakudadu. Okay, va? Here LHL definition pari. What is the definition here? LHL will be equal to RHL but f of a is not defined. F of a is equal to what? Not defined. not defined. Isolated means what? Basically, guys, isolated now you might have heard this word in your COVID. During COVID-19, isolated means what? Keeping you separately in separate room, isolating you, separating you. Okay, well, isolated meaning in separating something. So our names are required, sir, where f of limit f of x exists finitely, but f of x also exists. F of a also exists, but it will be different value. But it will be different value, but not equal. But not equal. You can say, but not equal. But not equal. But you will get what? But we will have different value. We will have different value. ஓகேவா சார்? ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுங்க சார். ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு ஐடியா வந்துடும் சார். சார் இதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்தா மிஸ்ஸிங் பாயிண்ட் டிஸ்கண்டினியூட்டி ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சார். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லிமிட் anything you say, limit extending towards 3x square minus 9 by x minus 3. Okay va? Will the limit of this function exist? 100% exist ஆயிடும் சார். நீங்க பாரு சார், நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா limit will be existing. எப்படி இது சால்வ் பண்ணி பாரு. x minus 3 into x plus 3 divided by x minus 3. இது கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா 3 plus 3 6. லிமிட் எக்ஸிஸ்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்குடா. அந்த வேல்யூ என்ன? 6. நல்லா இருக்கு. பட் இப்போ நீங்க பாரு, limit exists ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, but this function is not defined. The function is not defined at x is equal to 3 பாரு. x is equal to 3 போட்டா function வந்து not defined ஆயிரும். சுரேஷ் சார் டெஃபினேஷன் சொன்னாரு, LHL RHL will be equal. பாரு, LHL RHL both are equal to 6, but functional value will not be defined. f of 3 போட்டா function will be not defined. So that's what I'm trying to say. So overall எப்படி எழுதலாம்? How do we write this? F of x is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3, and this is not defined. When x is equal to 3, when x is not equal to 3. Are you getting the point? Oh sorry, wait. When x is not equal to 3, sorry. When x is not equal to 3 here, when x is equal to 3. இப்படி டிஃபைன் பண்ண முடியுமா பாரு? ஃபங்க்ஷனல் வேல்யூ at 3 is not defined. ஏனா 0 போட்டா 3 போட்டா 0 ஆயிரும். 3 போட்டா நமக்கு என்ன வந்துருச்சு பாரு? 6 வந்துருச்சு. So LHL RHL ரெண்டுமே 6. LHL RHL ரெண்டுமே 6. But 3 கிட்ட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து டிஃபைன்ட் கிடையாது. So that is why I'm telling you the missing point discontinuity என்னன்னா, கீழ ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கிட்ட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து டிஃபைன் ஆகாது. That is what missing point discontinuity. So this function is what basically this is missing point removable discontinuity. என்னது இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன? What is this? Missing point removable discontinuity. என்ன பாயிண்ட் மிஸ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு? Something is missing is nothing but what? Something missing is nothing but what? அந்த missing point கிட்ட, அந்த missing x value கிட்ட function defined ஆக கூடாது. எந்த பாயிண்ட் the missing point? x is equal to 3 is a value where the function is not defined. Okay, very simple. புரியுதா சார்? ஐசோலேட்டட் என்ன சார்? ஐசோலேட்டட் மீனிங் என்ன கைஸ்? ஐசோலேட்டட்னா பாரு, சிம்பிள். Let me write the blue color. Let me write limit extending any example you write. Let me write f of x, right? F of x. Sorry, f of x is equal to what? We'll say this. Same example. Let me take same example. X square minus 9 by x minus 3. Okay. Whenever x is not equal to 3, the function of value is 6 வந்துச்சு. But when x is equal to 3, function value something else, 10. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா guys? Isolated என்ன? LHL RHL will be equal. LHL, see, look at the board. Function limit will be existing, but f of a will be having some other value. What is the definition here? LHL is equal to RHL, but f of a is equal to different value. Some different value means isolated value. Pari LHL RHL equal. Pari in the function LHL RHL 6, 3 kita in the defined agala, in the removable discontinuity, I mean missing point discontinuity la 3 kita function defined agala, but inga 3 kita function defined ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. என்ன 10, but different. LHL RHL equal, but functional value different ஆயிருக்கு. So isolated means what? At functional value, function oda value na 10, separate value. Isolated means what? Separate. புரியுதா? Very simple sir. So this is what removable type da. Next பாத்தீங்கன்னா irremovable type. சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன சொன்னார், irremovable எத்தனை டைப்ஸ் பாரு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் finite, infinite, oscillatory, 3 types. So I'll discuss one by one. Very important. Among all this, which is very important, இது one, the third one is very important. Oscillatory type is very very important among all these 3. Okay, among all these 3, which is important, oscillatory type is very very important. இங்க பாரு sir, first we'll try to discuss one by one da. Guys, definition enna, here limit exist agadu. First LHL is RHL equal agadu. Limit extending towards CF does not exist. Okay, are you getting the point? Yes or no? Limit of the function will not be existing at x is equal to a point. Okay, so irremovable discontinuity can be further classified as first finite, infinite, and then oscillatory type. Are you getting the point? Finite naina, infinite naina, oscillatory naina. Sir, I'll give you one by one. Listen the class. First, let me write the example. Let me write the example. Water. Just a minute, guys. Let me have some water. Yes. Okay. Yes. Sir, finite type na definition enna? Finite type definition enna? LHL, RHL, RHL both what? Finite. Both will be finite. Both will be finite, but unequal. LHL, RHL both will be what? A finite, but not equal. That is what finite type. Irremovable. Finite type what? Irremovable discontinuity. ஏன்னா LHL, RHL ரெண்டுமே finite இருக்கணும், but unequal இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? infinite type என்ன basically? infinite type என்ன? at least one of LHL, and RHL should tend towards what? Plus infinity. I mean infinity. At least one of LHL and RHL what should go towards infinity. Both also can go towards infinity, no problem. But at least one of LHL and RHL should go towards what? Infinity. That is what basically infinite type irremovable discontinuity. Purida. LHL na left hand limit rare, full form enuma, left hand limit, right hand limit. You are in 11th man. So you just started your 11th limits. Whenever you study, you will understand. Now you won't understand, leave it. Okay, va. LHL and RHL both will be what? LHL or RHL or both will oscillate. Okay, va. Are you getting the point or not? Me LHL or RHL both LHL or RHL or both will oscillate. Inga oscillatory type irremovable discontinuity. Are you getting the point? Is that clear with everyone, guys? Tell me, is that clear with everyone? Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. Now what I'll do basically, I'll give one by one example. I'll give example for all this. Okay. Anything you take, for example, let me give one example. Let me choose pink color. Okay. Sir, one example. For example, limit extending towards 5 step x. Limit extending towards 5 step x. What is it? LHL and RHL and pare. LHL, RHL and pare. LHL is what? RHL is what? LHL means what? 5 left side. 5 left side means 5 konjam kami value edutittu pare. 4.99999. Step of 4.99 is what? 4. RHL means what? 5 something, 5 point something, 5 point something na 5 point something or step na 5. LHL, RHL both will be finite but not equal. So this function is what? This limit is what now? This limit is what? This is basically, this is a discontinuous function, but what type of? finite type irremovable discontinuity. What type of discontinuity? Finite type irremovable discontinuity. Finite type and irremovable, that's it. Irremovable என்ன type? Finite type. புரியுதா? Next sir infinite type என்ன sir? Infinite type you can say basically let me give one example. Look at the board. Irremovable infinite type என்ன? Simple, right? F of x is equal to basically what? 1 by x and 0 when x is equal to 0, when x is not equal to 0. Purida, can you see this example or not? Tell me. Sir, now I'll do one thing. Very simple, very simple. Yeah, that's it. It makes sense. F of x is equal to 1 by x when x is not equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, it will be 0. Sir, what is the definition of this? At least one of LHL and RHL should go towards 0. Pardon? Guys, when x is not equal to 0, 0 ko konja right side potu paru. 1 by 0.0000001. Okay, wow. This will be tending towards what? Plus infinity. Are you getting the point? Now 0 ko konja coming, 0 ko konja left side, minus 0.00001. This will be tending towards what? Minus infinity. Are you getting the point or not? At least one of LHL RHL should go towards 0, infinity. That is what the example for infinite type irremovable discontinuity. Purida? Infinite type irremovable discontinuity example is in the example is for what? Finite type irremovable discontinuity. And now oscillatory, this is very simple, very important as well. I'll tell you one example for this. F of x is equal to sine of 1 by x. Okay, wow. Whenever x is not equal to what? 0. Whenever x is not equal to 0. Whenever x is equal to 0, that function is going to be 0. Bye. Guys, this is example, very famous example, very important example. Sir, eppadi sir? Sir, ipo enakku doubt irukku sir. When x is not equal to 0 means what do you mean by that? I'll explain in the next slide. Pari. Na solradhu enada? F of x is equal to function is sine of 1 by x. Okay. This is 0 when x is equal to 0. Sir, now ipo neenga correct ah pari. Sir, sine 1 by x I'm saying. Sine 1 by x. 1 by x means what? LHL pari, LHL. LHL is what? Sine of 1 by 0. Minus 0.00001. What is this going to be? Sine of minus infinity. Okay. Next RHL is going to be what? Sine of 1 by plus 0.00001. This is going to be what? Sine of plus infinity. Sine of plus infinity minus infinity. This will be going to oscillate between what? Sine of infinity, sine of minus infinity plus infinity is going to be oscillate between minus 1 and 1. Ray, now our Visham solrada. Sine of 10 lakhs 0.2. That is going to lie between minus 1 and 1. Sine of any negative number, any small number. Okay, wow. Let's say minus infinity, let's say anything minus 10 lakhs 0.3 something. Are you getting the point? Let's say minus 10 crore point something. Sine kulla enna potalo, sine kulla any big number you put or any small number you put, answer is going to always lie between minus 1 and 1. Are you getting the point? Sine kulla you put either very small number or you put very big number. Enna potalo that will be going to lie or oscillate between minus 1 and 1. Oscillate means what? To and fro. You might have seen oscillations. SHM. Tui anamari. Okay, wow. Enna potalo that will be definitely what? Sir, very nice teaching. Waiting for your teaching in Vidyal 2028. Okay, guys. Yes. Puridada. Yes or no? So basically, this is example for what? This is example for what? This is example for what? Oscillatory type irremovable discontinuity. Purida? Yes or no? Hope everybody is understanding. Yes. Clear? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Sir, continuity in the interval, continuity in interval we will discuss in the next class. Okay, wow. This I will discuss in the next class. Purida. Yes, that's it for today, guys. That's it for today. Hope you understood. Hope you understood everything. Any doubt, guys? Yes. Yes. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you understood. What did we discuss? We discussed few questions on continuity. Or function continuous aganuna, LHL should be is equal to RHL, should be equal to functional value, and it should be finite. Apoda continuous illati discontinuous. And we also discussed type of discontinuity. Yes or no? Two types. Removable discontinuity, irremovable discontinuity. Removable ka killer two types. Missing point discontinuity and isolated point discontinuity. Okay, wow. Next again, irremovable three types. What are they? Finite type, infinite type, and oscillatory type. So I gave examples for that as well. Da. So that's it for today. We will discuss the next concept in the next class. Hope you enjoyed the class and stay tuned for the next class. I'll be uploading these notes in the Telegram channel. Da. Okay, our Telegram group. So Marakama in the channel subscribe pani in the notes when கண்டிப்பா நீங்க டெலிகிராம் குரூப்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. you must join the telegram group. So telegram groupல join பண்ணாதான் you will be able to get all the latest on updates, notes or any assessment or any updates, and also listen the class. Yes, and yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So please do subscribe the channel. So that is very important. That's it for today, guys. We'll meet in the next class. And bye bye. Good night. Have a nice day. Love you all, my dear chintus. Wa anna wa.